tell.
Hey everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'm back again with another makeup tutorial for you guys. And this one is a wedding guest makeup tutorial. The wedding season is just around the corner. It is almost like starting, so this is for you guys because we Bengalis, we do have a lot of wedding invitations in the wedding season. So this look is for you guys, and I hope you guys will like this look. And if you guys want to see how I did this look, let's move on with the tutorial. I'll start my makeup in a minute, but before doing that, I'm going to be using my Amlaki Organic Orange Lava Toner to wipe down my face to get rid of any excess oil or dirt that I might have gathered after washing my face. Now for the lid, I'm taking this beautiful golden shade, and this is called Last Sun. Now for my tight line and waterline, I'm taking the Marc Jacob Highline liner in the shade Blacquer. Okay, so while I apply this black gel liner in my waterline, I'm also dragging it a little bit in my lash line too, so that when I apply the green eyeshadow, it will stick with that one and have a little bit of depth. There is a little bit of issue, I guess, with this like eyeshadows, that it sometimes actually skips from portions, which is weird, but for the price I would say it's good, but yeah, it does have its cons too. Now I'm taking my Sleek Ultra Matte V2 eyeshadow palette, and from this one I'm going to be taking this bottle green eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Fern. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Sigma Sinousity Curler Mascara. already applied a lipstick. I didn't realize that it wasn't actually filming, but I applied the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Heartbreaker on top of the lip liner, and now I'm taking the Lime Crime liquid lipstick in the shade Red Hot, and I'm going to be applying it in the middle part. Okay, so I'm kind of done with my makeup now. I'm just gonna go and change my dress, and I'll be right back in a minute. So this is the final look after finishing the rest of my makeup. I hope this was helpful for you guys and you guys enjoyed this one. And if you guys want to know the product details, then make sure to check out the description box below. And if you guys like this video, then make sure to give this one a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe into my YouTube channel if you already haven't, and also don't forget to follow me in my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also in Snapchat. And I will be catching you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.